everyone and welcome to PC Tips Pro. So today's video is gonna be a full tutorial and an overview of the new Threads application. So firstly, just go ahead and download the Threads application from your Play Store. It is a flipped A symbol. So just go ahead and click on it. And once you open it, you'll arrive at this interface that has a very cool design. And at the bottom, you can see that it says login with Instagram. Now, if you have your Instagram account downloaded on the phone and if you're logged in with it, then it will directly show your account or your ID. So just click on that and then just go ahead and log into that. Once you're done logged in, it will ask you to save your login info. You can save it or you can just click on not now. And after that, it will ask you to fill up your profile. Now you can either type a new bio or you can add links to your Facebook account or your Twitter account. Now, if you don't want to do that, you can just import everything from your Instagram and your bio and all the links would directly be imported to your Threads account as well. Now click on continue and from here you can see that it says privacy. So here you can make your account either public or private. I'm gonna make it private. You can choose it to be public if you want. And then click on join threads. Then you can allow notifications. So here you go. As you can see, it's basically just like Twitter. And this is your home page where you will see all the posts made by people. If you want, you can choose to comment on it or like it. And here you can see a magnifying glass option. From here, you can just type in the name of the people that you would like to follow or search. So here you can see so many different options to follow. Now after that, you can click on this profile option to see your profile. You can edit it if you want. Now from here, you see that you can share your profile. So you can just directly share it from here to WhatsApp or Chrome or Snapchat, anywhere you want to. Now, if you want to make a Threads post, you can see this middle symbol here. Just click on it and it will ask you to start a thread. So you can just write anything that you want. So once you've composed your thread, you can also attach any picture that you want to attach with it. So just attach any picture, click on done and see. My picture here will be shown. If you want, just post it and your threads will be visible in your profile section. From here, you can see the replies that you get, or from here you can see the reposts or anything. And to talk about the other options, from here, if you click on the heart symbol, you will like a post. And if you click on the next option, you can comment on any posts. And the third option is for reposting any post. And then if you click on the last one, here you can see it says that you can add it to your story, or you can post to feed, or you can copy the link directly and just share it via WhatsApp or Facebook or Twitter, or you can just directly share it by share via. Now, after that, you can see this 2 lines option on the top right corner. If you click on it, here you will arrive at your settings. So from here, you can access all of your settings, your privacy related options to make your profile private or public. If you want, you can switch it back to public or just switch it back to private again. You can mute things. You can see the profiles that you follow, or you can see blocked people or You can hide likes from here. You can do all these stuffs. Now, to talk about your threads ID, you can see at the top it's written Alan Ashever. Now that is not my ID, that is the name. Now if you want to share your ID, threads ID, to any person, it will be the thing written just below your name. That will be alan874threads.net. So if you want to share your ID with anyone, it's this alan874.net. Whatever your ID is along with .net. Now, if you go back to your home page, you can see all the posts that people make. From here, you can just click on like or post or share, or you can even repost it if you want. You can also choose to view people's ID from here by just clicking on their names, and you can choose to follow it or mention them or like their post. So this is all about threads. It's basically just like Twitter, where people post some tweets. Now, it also has a word limit, just like Twitter, and you cannot exceed that limit. You have to compose a tweet that's under the word limit. So that is basically all about your threads application, people. And so this is all about how you install and log in to your threads application, and you are good to go and you're ready to use your threads application now. So that's it for the video, guys. If you have any queries regarding this video, make sure to put them in the comments box. And also, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to PC Tips Pro to be regularly updated with these helpful tech content. Thank you for watching, guys.